It's Saturday night and the girls are coming over for cocktails. I thought I'd make a 20th century because it's my favorite classic cocktail. They were invented in 1937 by a British bartender named C.A. Tuck, who named them after the 20th century train that ran from New York and Chicago. They're made using gin, Lillet, white creme de cacao, the juice of a lemon, and I like to add a flip, which means adding an egg white. We're not going to add ice to our shaker quite yet. We'll add it halfway through, and that makes the egg whites more frothy. First, we'll add 1.5 ounces of gin. Next, 1/2 ounce of Lillet. And 1/2 ounce of creme de cacao. We'll add the juice of half a lemon. I like to roll my lemon on the table first. Makes it a little bit more juicy. Now we'll add the egg white. I've already pre-separated mine. And give that a shake. And now we'll add a bit of ice. And shake it again. Finally, we'll strain it into our glass. And there you have a 20th century.